Sorry to disappoint you, but if you do this, you've been doing it wrong all along. Adding honey to your tea, is this what you're doing, right? Does it do any good, or does it turn your tea toxic? Watch this video to find out. My name is Oksana. I'm a registered nurse and a natural wellness coach, and you're on my No Prescription Needed channel, where I teach people like you and I how to heal our body with food. I also teach that self-healing is not only possible, but it's easy. And it starts with food because we are what we eat. If this resonates with you, give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so we can start healing together. When you add honey to your tea, here's what happens. Cutting straight to the chase. Heat destroys the healing benefits of honey. The higher the temperature, the longer the exposure, the more of its medicinal qualities are lost. I'm talking about unique digestive enzymes, vitamins, minerals, destroyed. At the end, it gets no better than a regular table sugar. Good news is honey tea combo will not kill you. Bad news is honey tea combo is no more than a sugar tea combo. A story about honey being toxic when you add it to a tea is nothing more than a myth. So HMF is an organic compound that is being widely blamed for heated honey's toxicity. Just so you know, HMF is generously present in these common foods like dried fruits, dairy, cereals, all processed and sugar-containing foods. In simple terms, HMF is formed with any kind of thermal treatment or as a natural reaction to storage condition or as a reaction to a natural aging process. Heating simply increases HMF concentration faster. For comparison, Coca-Cola and coffee contain at least 100 times more HMF than heated honey. Therefore, keep watching to find out what is the best way to eat your honey. By the way, you only need 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey a day to reap amazing benefits. The most therapeutic way to eat your honey is take a little bit in your mouth and suck on it, just like I did a minute ago, so it gets absorbed directly into your bloodstream, bypassing your digestive system and not skyrocketing your insulin levels. Now, what about honey tea situation? If you're anything like me and like your tea hot, do this. Sip on your tea in between savoring your honey. The second best way to consume your honey is by adding a teaspoon to a glass of warm water or tea. It should not be more than 45 degrees Celsius, which is roughly about 20 minutes of cooling after you boil your water. And you should never bake or cook with honey. Hey, did I mention there are only 2 products in the entire world that closely resemble blood plasma? Honey is one of them. The other one is mother's breast milk. Remember, eat your food as medicine, or else you'll eat medicine as your food. To your health.